Do you want a clear-cut way to keep your home organized and keep an eye on your inventory? Hi everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ911, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the importance of using clear containers when trying to keep your home organized. Now, one place I use clear containers a lot is in my pantry. I have a very small pantry, so I have to make the most of the space. And one way to make the best use of your space is with these plastic containers. It allows you to customize the storage in your pantry. As you can see, I use them for all my pastas and like side dishes. And I actually need two more. I like them all consistent, and I ran out of these, so I quickly stored the rices in a different container. But one of the things I wanted to point out to you is a lot of people say, well, I won't have the instructions or I won't have the nutritional information. And I just wanted to show you that you can use simple packing tape on the back of the container and keep everything you need for the instructions for preparing it and all the nutritional values, okay? And I've got that on a lot of my containers. Another place I use them is on my cereal. Now, if you have a family with kids, this is crucial, because I'll tell you how many of us have been caught with a big box of cereal in our pantry and about 3 cornflakes left in that box thanks to our children. There's nothing worse than going for a bowl of cereal and finding only 3 cornflakes left in the box, right? So it's very important to be able to see what you have in your inventory. Now, this is another benefit of clear containers. By seeing what you have, it gives you a mental image of what the inventory in your home. So if you do swing by the store after work, you will have that kind of visual memory of what was going on in your pantry, and you can avoid unnecessary stops. Another benefit to the containers, these clear containers, is that it often offers some type of an airtight seal, especially with the little more expensive ones. When you snap it in, this actually kind of sucks up the extra air. It'll keep the food fresher longer. And whenever you have things stored in like the same type of container, it really does give a much neater appearance, a more organized appearance, and like I said, it saves you space. You can really maximize the space. If I were to just have all the various size boxes of noodles that they sell at the store, I wouldn't be able to maximize the space all the way up to the top. So these clear containers can be found really anywhere, from specialty stores like the Container Store, Bed Bath & Beyond, that sort of store, or you can find less expensive ones at Target, Walmart, even the dollar store. Okay, I personally didn't get the ones at the Container Store. I love them. I think the brand is called OXO. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's OXO. They have the airtight containers like this. They are wonderful. They were just out of my price range. These are available at Walmart. I got these. They come in such a wide variety of sizes and shapes. I love them. You can get a tall, narrow one, or you can get a longer, narrow one like that, or you can get a boxy one like this. They have all shapes and sizes, okay? And what I like about that is because you can customize it to the height of your shelf, or you can take some like this and stack them. And they're pretty, they fit fairly snugly because it has a little lip that goes in there and the bottom fits in nicely. Okay, so again, you can customize and maximize your space, or get 2 of these size and stack them. You know what I mean. But they're really nice because they've got this little snap top, and you snap it up and you put your product in, and then when you go to push this back down, this actually sucks air as it pulls up. Nice airtight seal, again, keeps the food fresher longer. All right, so that's really nice. These can range anywhere from like $7 to $12 at Walmart, depending on the size you get. And they even come bigger than this. They have a square one that's bigger and taller and wider too. Again, multitude of variety to choose from, so it can customize to your pantry. These are also available at Walmart. They have a little grip on the back, which I really like, because I mean, to try to hold it on the wide side, it would just about bust my hand. This one does too. They're available in a couple of different sizes, but they are less expensive. They're more your maybe $3 to $6 or $7 range in here. And they are a twist top, screw on top. But again, that's a nice clear container. I use that for my cereal. We are changing it out so much. Oh my gosh, 3 kids in their late teens, early 20s. They go through cereal 1 box a day. All right, it's not uncommon. So I don't have to worry about an airtight seal on those things. Also available at Walmart is the Rubbermaid brand. Again, you can still see your inventory. That's key because you want to not have to make a surprise stop. There's nothing worse than preparing a meal and noticing you have no side dishes or noodles or mashed potatoes or rice because the box was nearly empty. This lets you know ahead of time. But if you are on a really tight budget, the Dollar Tree also has these containers, okay? And they've got a nice little flip top for pouring, ease in pouring. So really at any store you can find these clear containers. They will help you visualize your inventory better so that you can, if you have an unexpected trip to the store, you will remember visually what was in your pantry. They provide an airtight seal. They look more neat and organized in your pantry. And finally, they are a space saver. You can customize how you fit them into your pantry. Okay, I also have more suggestions about pantry organization. Just click on the iCard up there. It'll take you to my other video on how to organize your pantry. Be sure to check that out. There's a lot of good tips and suggestions in there. I think you'll even find I mentioned clear containers in that one as well. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, please poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll see you next time.